Welcome to our channel 4G School, a smart way of learning through technology. My English Book 2, Standard 2, Fun with Alphabets. Look, listen and say. A for apple.
A for apple.
B for bat.
B for bat.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for grapes.
G for grapes.
H for hat.
H for hat.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J for jug.
J for jug.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for mango.
M for mango.
N for nose.
N for nose.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for pencil.
P for pencil.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for sun.
S for sun.
T for tree.
T for tree.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for van.
V for van.
W for watch.
W for watch.
X for x-ray.
X for x-ray.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Learn this alphabet and enjoy it. And do not forget to subscribe our channel 4G School for your further educational videos. And press the bell icon so you will get our notification of uploaded video. Till then, take care and stay with us.